All right, guys, I just got back from the grocery store. I have a very small haul for you. I've got sweet corn, sub buns, molasses, 1 minute quick oats, 2 gallons of 2% milk, a yellow pepper and orange pepper, 2 containers of marshmallow cream, extra wide noodles, and 4 whipped topping containers. These were on sale, 10 for 10, so I grabbed some of those because we love summer desserts. 2 packages of vine-ripe tomatoes. These cake mixes were on sale for 87 cents at Kroger's. I got a chocolate fudge, a fudge brownie mix, and a yellow cake mix. I thought 87 cents was a really good price. Hostess snack size glazed donuts, as well as the powdered sugar, and a 16 count of ding dongs. And my husband also, now that it's warming up outside, I got him 2 of the Gatorades, 1 grape, and 1 cool blue 8-pack. All right, we'll start our grocery haul here. We went to the store yesterday, but they did not have a lot of produce. So today we ran to Meijer's. I got strawberries. These strawberries are so big, and they were way cheaper than the other ones. So we decided to go ahead. They were cheaper and they were bigger and they looked better than the others. So we got this big box of Driscoll strawberries. We've got Rainier cherries. This is my husband's favorite kind of cherries. They're only here for just a little while in Indiana, but they are so good. They do not taste like cherries. If you see them at the market, give them a try. Grapes, red seedless grapes, horseradish dill pickles. I got 2 packages of baby back ribs. They were on special at Meijer. Double stuffed Oreo golden, and some classic white rolls. And that'll do it for this grocery haul. All right, guys, our meal plan for this week includes hard shell tacos, chicken and shrimp kebabs, barbecued chicken, hobo dinners, ham and turkey sliders, steaks, and smash burgers. And that'll do it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining along. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Have a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend.